Hello, community. Transformer language models. BERT versus GPT. Which model is better? Both are based on the transformer architecture. You have here on the left side your encoder and on the right side your decoder architecture. But if you look closely, you see they're the same elements. You have a multi-head attention and a feed-forward network in each layer, in the encoder and in the decoder. The only thing is different, you have additional and masked multi-head attention in the decoder stack. So you guessed it, the encoder stack is BERT from Google, and the decoder stack is GPT from OpenAI. Now, there's some significant difference because of this additional multi-head attention that is masked. GPT is unidirectional. This means it looks back at the previous words to predict the next word, while BERT is bidirectional, considers the words that come before and after the missing masking term, and predicts what the word should be. Also, in BERT you have a pre-training and a fine-tuning. You can continue learning in BERT, while in GPT you have the massive pre-training, and this is it. It doesn't learn anything new. You see this in the pre-training size. If you have BERT with 1, GPT has to include everything. Now in GPT you have the pre-training and then you only have a few shot learning with a prompt. But in BERT you have a pre-training and a fine-tuning for the downstream tasks. And in addition, if you have new data, it is easy because you add an additional layer to the BERT architecture and you can train the whole network again. If you have new data you see in GPT, you have to pre-train the whole system again, but in BERT, you just add a fine-tuning layer. Now, we found that the last layer in the BERT architecture are the most task-specific, so maybe you can even freeze the first layers. Roberta is an optimization to BERT. It improved that the MLM is dynamic, that the next sentence prediction is dropped, the byte-pair encoding tokenizer is used, and a larger mini-batch is used, since BERT was significantly undertrained. With GPT 3.5, it's a sheer size question and a black box nature that can be restrictive. If you look at the leaderboard, you see BERT is almost everywhere. And if you ask, so how can GPT learn? Well, you add reinforcement learning from human feedback, and if you're interested in the ChatGPT system by OpenAI, I have a specific video for you. The next video will be on the future.